Fitting the liner. You'll find 4 pre-formed corner sections in your kit. Place them flush with the corners of the pool wall and pin them with masonry nails. Cut the straight sections to size and secure them with masonry nails, flush with the pool edge. Nail at the back of the liner lock to avoid damaging the rendering of the pool walls. At the Roman end section, overlap the liner lock and drill a hole to secure the liner lock to the steps with a self-tapping screw. Next, remove the faceplate of the step section and carefully clean out all the flow and return fittings. Wash away any sand and cement from the faces of the fittings and check the retaining holes of all fittings. Clean these out gently using a small drill bit. The pool wall should be skimmed with a steel float, and all small stones, chippings, dirt, leaves and other debris should be swept up with a soft broom and removed. Now, remove the adhesive tape from the main suction and fit the lamp housing of the underwater light. Feed the electric cable up through the conduit from inside the pool and coil the spare cable behind the light so that bulbs can be changed simply by removing the fitting underwater. Face each of the fittings with a self-adhesive gasket. They have coverings which peel off to reveal a sticky surface. Work around each fitting, making sure that the face is clean and dry before fitting the gasket. The pool surface should be examined once again for blemishes, which you can fill up with neat cement and water and skim to a smooth finish. When you're satisfied, vacuum the entire pool, including the liner lock. Hire an industrial vacuum cleaner from your local hire shop for this. You'll need it later for fitting the vinyl liner. Remove the liner from the box and lay it in the center of the shallow end. There's a label telling you which is the deep end and which is the shallow end. Unroll it along the length of the pool and open it out. It's carefully tailored to your pool, less a small amount, which allows the liner to be stretched to a perfect fit. The liner is made from the highest quality vinyl and finished with a permanently printed tile band and random marble floor pattern. The vinyl is more supple on a warm sunny day, and it should be stored overnight in a warm place before fitting. The liner lock beading is welded to the edges of the liner and locks into the tracking already positioned on top of the pool walls. With the liner laid out on the pool floor, look for the corner sections. This is very important because the liner is positioned using the floor corners of the material. Wear socks or soft shoes so you don't damage the material, and push the corner of the liner into the corner of the pool with your foot. Press the beading into the center of the liner lock in the corner and work away from the corner, pushing the beading into the tracking until the liner is in position. It's the same procedure for all 4 corners. When the liner is almost in position with just one wall remaining, place a board across the step section to support the liner and tape the edges with strong, wide adhesive tape. This prevents the vacuum collapsing when the liner is sucked into place. Then press the remaining beading into the tracking. The liner is not yet taut. Use the vacuum cleaner to suck the air out from beneath the liner, which will pull the liner into its final position. Push the hose down behind the liner about 6 inches or 15 centimeters from the bottom and seal the gap between the vacuum hose and liner with strong, wide adhesive tape. Small wrinkles will iron out in the sun, but the vacuum pulls out larger creases. It may be necessary to tape and seal any open pipework and the skimmer lid to stop any air getting in. Also, lay a thin fillet of cement along the back edge of the tracking to prevent air being sucked underneath. After the vacuum has done its work, check the alignment of the 4 corners to ensure perfect positioning. When you're satisfied with the fit, the faceplate of the main suction can be fitted. Feel through the liner for the retaining holes and pierce the material with a bradawl. Secure the gasket and faceplate with stainless steel self-tapping screws. Don't over-tighten, but turn in sequence until the faceplate grips firmly. Remove the excess vinyl covering the mouth of the fitting with a sharp knife. The pool is now ready for filling, but only to a depth of 4 inches, 10 centimeters, over the shallow end. The step section faceplate should now be fitted. Remember, place your foot directly below each hole before piercing the vinyl, thus ensuring that the material is correctly positioned to take the screws. Remove any excess material with a sharp knife and switch off the vacuum cleaner and diaphragm pump when the water has reached the 4 inches 10 centimeter level, and the weight of the water will hold the liner in place. As the water level rises to each of the other fittings, secure the gaskets and faceplates. The inlet fitting has a directional eyeball, which is a screw attachment. When all the faceplates are fitted, fill the pool halfway up the skimmer mouth. This is the correct water level for your pool.